Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, February 8th. Happy Monday. Guess what? Super exciting news. It's a 4-day week this week. Can you believe that? We only have 4 days of school. We get Friday off. And then, really cool news, you always get Saturday and Sunday off. And then you get Monday off too. You have a 4-day weekend coming up. That's pretty cool. And at Morning Assembly this week, we're going to talk about why we have that 4-day weekend, because that's a pretty special event. Before we start with that, let's stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so you can see right here below me, it's February 8th, 2021, and our virtue that we're talking about this week is honor. Honor. We just honored our country by doing the Pledge of Allegiance. But what does honor mean? Let's talk about it. I've got a couple slides I want to show you this morning. It says right here, honor, and it says President's Day. That's why we have this big weekend coming up, because we're celebrating President's Day, and we want to honor our presidents who've served our country. So here's what honor means. The first bullet says living by the virtues. That's kind of an interesting one. We've been talking about a whole bunch of virtues. We've talked about 10 different virtues in the last 2 weeks. And if you're living by those virtues, that means you're showing honor. You're showing honor in your life. The highlighted one we're going to talk about a lot this week. It means showing great respect for yourself and others. The third one says do the right thing regardless of what others are doing. And you're going to see some people who did that this week when we talk about some of the presidents. So we're going to talk about this highlighted one, showing great respect for yourself and others. So long time ago, in the days of kings and queens, people would show extreme honor by bowing down before the king and queen, and you would even put your body in a low place to honor them. We talk about honor now, and we talk about you treat people with a really high level of respect. If you meet the president, you don't get to just walk up and be like, hey, what's up? Joe, I was thinking we should probably go get some lunch. Do you like sandwiches or something? Number one, you won't call the president Joe. You'd call him President Biden, right? Maybe Mr. Biden. You don't get to call him whatever you want, and you don't get to talk whenever you want. You're going to show him honor by being quiet, by being respectful. You actually would treat a leader like that differently than you treat other people, different than you treat your dad or your mom, different than you treat people in the grocery store. And that's how we show honor to those people. So back to the slide for just a second. Like I said, we have President's Day coming up. This is a holiday for Americans to celebrate our past presidents. People like George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, heroes in our country. And I want you to chat a little bit this morning. If honor means great respect, can you make a list with your class of all the different people that you think deserve honor? Okay, we just said two. We said Abraham Lincoln. We said George Washington. See if you can make a list of more people who deserve honor. Have a great day, Achieve.